Good morning, student. Exercise 3.6. Question number 1. It's a very important question. Find the SCF of the following number. Here are 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10 part. And I am doing only 6 part. Other part you will be do at home. It means homework. So A part 1848. 1848. So 18 can be divided by 2. 2 9 ja 18. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 48. Divide by 2. 2 24 ja 2 that 12 ja 2 6 ja that 2 3 ja and 3 1 ja. So that 18 factor is 2 into 3 into 3 and 48 factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So that common is looking this. So we will write, and then 3 is also common. Other is not common, so that is 6 answer. Right? And then F part 34 and 102. So 34 can be divided by 2. 2 17 ja 17 1 ja. Here 102 divided by 2. 2 5 ja 2 1 ja. Then 3 3 1 ja 3 7 ja. That 17 1 ja. So 34 factor is 2 into 17 and then 102 factor is 2 into 3 into 17. So that will be common you are looking 2 2, it means 2 in both case and 17 also in both case. So 17 2 ja 34 is answer. G part 70 105 175. So that will be divided by 2. 35 ja and then divide by 5. 7 ja then divide by 7 1 ja. Then divide by 3 9 ja 3 5 ja and then divide by 5 5 1 ja 5 9 ja and then 19. Just wait. 3 3 ja 9 3 5 ja 15 5 1 ja 5 5 9 ja. Sorry, see that here 3 3 ja. So that will be 5 7 ja 7 1 ja. This one divided by 5 5 3 ja 15 5 5 ja and then after 3 5 7 ja and 7 1 ja. 70 factor is 2 into 5 into 7. 105 factor is 3 into 5 into 7. 175 factor is 5 into 5 into 7. So see that 5 is everywhere. So that is 5 and 7 is also everywhere. That's 7. So 7 5 ja 35 is answer. H part 91 102 49. So 91 can be divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7 3 ja and then by 13 13 1 ja. 12 112 divided by 2. 2 5 ja 2 6 ja again by 2. 2 2 ja 2 8 ja again by 2. 2 14 ja again by 2. 2 7 ja and then 7. 49 divided by 7. 7 7 ja 7 1 ja. So 91 factor is 7 into 13. 112 factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 49 factor is 7 into 7. So only 7 is common here. Everywhere is 7. So that is a answer. Now I number 18 54 81. So 18 divided by 2. 2 9 जा, 9 divided by 3, 3 3 जा, and then 3 1 जा. 54 divided by 2, 2 2 जा, 2 7 जा, 27 divided by 3, 3 9 जा, that is 9, and then 3 3 जा, and 3 1 जा. 81 divided by 3, 3 27 जा, 3 9 जा, 3 3 जा, 3 1 जा. So 18 factor is 2 into 3 into 3. 54 factor is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 factor is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this 3 is common. So that this 3 also common. That. Okay. It means these 3 in all cases. So that will be 3 3 ja 9 is answer. Now 12, 45, 75. 12 can be divided by 2. 2 6 ja 12. And then by 2, 3 ja by 3 1 ja. 45 can be divided by 3. 3 15 ja. 3 5 ja. 5 1 ja. 75 divided by 3. 3 2 ja. 3 5 ja. 25 divided by 5. And 5 divided by 5 1 ja. So that 12 factor is 2 into 2 into 3. 45 factor is 3 into 3 into 5. 75 factor is 3 into 5 into 5. So that 3 is only common looking. Only 3 is common, so that is a answer. Right? And then question number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? The HCF of two consecutive numbers always 1. The consecutive of HCF of two consecutive number will be always 1. So that will be right only 1. And second question. First A part, number, solution, that will be 1, right? B part, even number. If there will be even number, so that will be even number. So that will be always 2. This type, this question you will be remember. And then C part, odd number. So that will be also 1. You will be remember always, if the consecutive HCF of two consecutive number is 1, even number is 2, and odd number is 1. Then the question number 3. Last question. HCF of co-prime is 4 and 45 were found as followed by factorization. 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. No. If there is no factor, then 1 will be always. So HCF is 1. That is our answer.